So guys, today we will make the keyword list on a Moz Pro. Just go to the keyword research, click on it. I will find this interface. Just post your keyword. In my case, the custom mailer boxes is the keyword I'm going to target. I want suggestions. Choose the region you are going to target. In my case, in the US. Analyze it, and then you will find this option panel. I have already discussed, but today I am going to discuss the keyword suggestion to make the keyword list. See the suggestions. Click on see all suggestions, and then you will find this interface. Here is the list of the keywords, and then this option panel will tell you what kind of the filter you want to add to search your keywords. In my case, I will choose include a mix of sources. It will give you a lot of ideas to collect, and the relevancy is also important. Now choose the keyword you like. Choose the keyword related to custom mailer boxes. In my case, I am choosing few of related to my page or industry. I will check them out, and then go to add to, click on it, campaign and keyword list. Click on keyword list, and then click on this option box, select a list. You need to create a new list. Click on it, add to list. Add to list and name this list. In my case, custom mailer boxes US, and then create and add to list. All the keywords will be added to this list, and then you will find the red text. It shows the custom mailer boxes US is the keyword list. Okay, I want to add some more keywords in my keyword list. I will apply the filter. I want to choose the custom, means it will show you the all keywords naming with a custom. It will filter all these keywords, and you will have the other relevant options to add to your keyword list. You will choose here and then click on add to keyword list. Click on, now you have a keyword list, custom mailer boxes. Click on add to list, and now all the keywords you choose will be added to this list. Now you will see 4 and 7 keywords were added to your keyword list. Now click on it, and you will find all your keyword in this list. Here are the many options you can use it. You can filter your keyword list according to volume, means if you want that I want the keywords ranging between 100 to 500, you can filter here. Okay, and then apply the filter. You will find the 2 keywords among your all keywords. So I say that I want to reset it and then apply it. And okay, and the next is the sub feature. You can also add words related to AdWords and images, knowledge bar, knowledge card, knowledge panel, etc. Difficulty, the most important element. You can choose the keyword difficulty and what kind of the keywords you want to target. 30 and below 30 keywords are considered ideal to rank in SERP. So I choose here any. Organic CTR means the keyword is favorable or not on the SERP is also then, and filter you can use it. The my score, priority, SERP page, country, you can ignore it. Just ignore it. You have already choose your region US. And now the keyword list is ready. Now it is time to export it. Click on export CSV file. Click on it when it is downloaded, and you will find your file. Now you need to save as to edit it. Save as, and click on the Excel workbook save as, name it and just save it, and then press Ctrl S and then edit it. In my case, I want to make it a little professional. Maybe you need to work it for your client as well. I am inserting a column and giving the numbers 1 2 3, just control and then I will drag it down. Here is the keyword. You need to delete some of the columns you don't need. Specific searches, features, you can also delete it, and importance column you can delete it, and then date analyzed you can delete it. Now you make it a little professional even for your client. Maximum search volume, you can rename it as SV, the search volume, keyword difficulty as KD, organic CTR as CTR, priority domain should be same. I'm centralizing it and giving some colors to the headers. You can apply the filters here. It is important to make it professional so that it may be you are working for your client on Fiverr or any other freelancing platform, so it will look professional. It should look professional that you are doing something good for your client. So this is how you can create a keyword list for your client and for your own projects. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.